Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Senate President Godswill Akpabio, during the screening of Ola Olukoyode as chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, condemned the commission's actions when dealing with high-profile suspects, citing the example of former governor of Imo State, Rocha Sokorocha, who he said the agency arrested as though they were swooping on Pablo Escobar, adding that he has also had his fair share of embarrassment from the commission.
Chairman nominee, the reality is that I think that Efcc has engaged more on sensation than on real investigation. For me, I've had my own share, where even a letter informing Efcc that I would not be able to come on a frivolous petition was released by the office of the chairman of Efcc to Sahara reporters. You see the chairman's stamp on it. He released it to Sahara reporters just to embarrass me because of 2023 elections. I don't see how the EFCC will go and arrest a former governor and come through the rooftop as if they are taking Pablo Escobar yeah, but it happened. It happened to Rocha Sokorocha. They came through the roof. They broke through the POP, and he was calling live. Nigerians were the whole world watched. They removed the roof, went through the POP, broke it down, and they were going down with guns. Is that EFCC? And for you, that is investigation. So what I would like to hear from you will be, what will you do differently? Because outside this country, sometimes they can follow somebody for 5 to 10 years until they establish evidence before they invite that person. But they keep embarrassing people's children, traumatizing the children, stigmatizing people because they had the opportunity to be in public office. And even within the FCC, properties that you recover, monies you recover, are stolen. People's properties that are supposed to be in your care are stolen and sold out at ridiculous prices. Properties worth 5 billion are sold for 300 naira because it is EFCC. So for me, EFCC, I have my own opinion about EFCC.
EFCC chairman scale screening on Wednesday, and he also joked that I mustn't be made as an example as well. But I think Akpabio hit the nail on the head there. I mean, he hit all the right notes, and he also said that the fact that the EFCC continues to conduct themselves like this needs to change, that they should focus more on prevention than the type of enforcement that they do.
Yes, I mean,
he
really did hit the nail right on the head. He got it absolutely spot on. In Nigeria, it's not just the EFCC, it's also the ICPC, it's also all the agencies of government, the military, the police especially. Every time we talk about this, either on Arise or on other platforms online, what we see is when somebody is accused of a crime, the first thing you do, every sane part of the world, forget about development, every sane part of the world, what you do first is you investigate. When you finish investigation, you verify that there are facts that makes it possible for you to go to court. And when you do that, then You can go to court and request an arrest for this person because you've got a clear case of crime. In Nigeria, it's the other way around. Arrest the person, and then you now begin investigation. And more often than not, we end up getting no conviction because there is no investigation that is done that is thorough, that is clear, that is deep in its way of doing it. All of this then translates into one thing and one thing only. We end up allowing those who have stolen our money to get away because we fail to do proper investigation. The EFCC, to a large extent, cannot be said to have covered itself in glory. It's been shameful because people have described it as the tool for whoever is the president. Under Buhari, people were arrested and it was thought it was because of what they said or what they did. Under this president, I am sure it's not going to change much, but we are hoping that at least for the sake of this new person who's been confirmed as the chairman of EFCC, Olukoyede, we are hoping that he will look at the trajectory, he will look at how people have perceived EFCC and say that he wants to create a change. They will do investigation, they will do their research, they will not arrest anybody until they have the information that makes it possible for them to go to court. I cannot for the life of me look at anything on record that indicates that is up to 15% of the people arrested that have ended up being guilty of any crime. I can't see the numbers.
Yes.
The numbers don't add up.
Right.
And if the numbers don't add up, then it means that they are failing on almost all fronts. But we have to see the change.
Absolutely. Ayo Akpabio mentioned a very salient point there. He said, you know, they keep embarrassing people, and that's not how it's done in other crimes. Really quickly, before I take this.
Yeah, very quickly. I think one of the things that the EFCC has an expertise in is headlines, just sensational headlines. EFCC arrests, EFCC arrests, EFCC parades without actually getting a win or a conviction in court. Again, just exposing their lack of preparedness and just for show. And I think it's not just the EFCC, as you've identified, Kate, as guilty of this. A number of agencies just want the headlines to act as if they are working, but not actually working. I must say, there's some convictions, high-profile ones, that have been gotten, international collaborations and the likes. But I believe that the EFCC as an agency can certainly improve in the manner in which they conduct their affairs and to also help to truly deliver on what they were created to do.
All right. Well, in
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. I need to bring and come give una wey be my people wey dey here. Make una follow me shoot mouth put whether it dey good or it dey bad. So if it dey right, una still leave una comment below. If it dey bad, una still leave una comment below. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. So if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.